Sustainable home gardening. Eco-friendly practices for a healthier garden. As the world becomes more aware of the importance of sustainability, many people are turning to home gardening as a way to promote eco-friendly practices. Sustainable home gardening not only helps reduce our carbon footprint, but it also provides a source of fresh, healthy produce for our families. In this video, we will explore some of the best eco-friendly practices for a healthier garden. We will start by discussing the importance of composting and how to create a compost bin using everyday materials. Composting not only reduces waste, but it also enriches the soil and provides essential nutrients for your plants. We will then discuss the benefits of using natural pest control methods, such as companion planting and beneficial insects, rather than harmful pesticides. We will also explore the use of organic fertilizers, which are not only better for the environment but also promote healthier soil and plants. In addition, we will touch on the importance of water conservation and how to effectively use rainwater harvesting and drip irrigation systems to minimize water waste. Finally, we will demonstrate how to create a sustainable garden design that promotes biodiversity and supports local ecosystems. By incorporating native plants and creating habitats for beneficial wildlife, we can create a thriving, eco-friendly garden that supports the health of our planet. Join us as we explore the world of sustainable home gardening and learn how to create a healthier, more sustainable future for ourselves and our planet.